printer must be turned on. Open the cartridge cover. The printhead carriage will move to the middle. Unplug the electrical power cord. Remove all ink cartridges. Press the tab on the front of each ink cartridge and pull them out. Locate the lever next to the print carriage. Lift this lever up. Remove the printhead. Now you can change it or clean it. In the description you will find the instructions on how to clean the printhead. Do not touch the gold electrical contacts or the ink nozzles. Remember, do not leave the printhead out of the printer for too long. The ink inside the tiny nozzles can dry out and ruin the printhead.